TT10 TechnoAlpin Fan Gun. The TT10 is the world's first true tower snow gun. Unlike previous designs, the tower is part of the machine itself, and the components are compactly installed without any protrusion. This gives it a particularly elegant look. What makes this design extra special, however, is the new tiltable tower, which allows access to all components, allowing inspection and maintenance to be carried out from the ground, and completely eliminating the need for a ladder. The TT10 combines the advantages of a tower-mounted machine with the maintainability of a mobile fan gun. EXLICON Headlight Adjustment Tool. An optical headlight tester is designed to test contemporary headlights as they become lower and lower. An aluminum structure allows EXLICON to increase its size, reducing its weight, stability, and optical analysis. The structure is designed for one-handed movement, thanks to a counterweight. A new thin Fresnel lens allows the collimation of a wide ray of light. The ergonomics of the object are designed to facilitate the use and movement of the headlight tester, which features a clean and essential style, bucking the trend of competing products. Tiny Bone 5-in-1 Ratchet. Fixing something that requires many tools can be inconvenient and frustrating. So we wondered, why can't we combine them together? Fixing stuff should be easier and more fun. Subsequently, we conceived this idea, and a few years later, we made it happen. Tiny Bone can be used as a flexible ratchet, speeder handle, screwdriver, palm ratchet, or sliding T-handle. These kinds of tools are commonly used in DIY fields. But even if it was defined as a DIY tool, it still meets DIN and ANSI standards. Its body part is made of an aluminum alloy, which makes its weight lighter and keeps its stability. Milwaukee M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Threaded Rod Cutter is a dedicated solution to cut the most common threaded rod sizes on job sites, including coarse 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 mild steel to 1/4 and 3/8 stainless steel. The four-sided cutting dies to allow you to cut multiple sizes of threaded rods on one tool by simply rotating the dies. It has the clearest line of sight and delivers clean, burr-free cuts, enabling you to thread and nut on by hand without having to file down the ends. It optimizes cut speed to prevent chips and sparks, and an auto-jewel opening allows repetitive cuts. Its center grip provides the best balance for one-handed overhead trims. Hailo TP1. Painting walls, hanging decorations, changing light bulbs, all you need for these jobs is a household ladder. But it's a very different story when it comes to stairs. Apart from the heights involved, tight layouts and space-saving stair designs with narrow landings can make many jobs more difficult. Hailo has now launched a clever and safe solution to the problem with its innovative TP1 stairs platform. This versatile product can be used as a working platform or as a base for all Hailo folding steps and step ladders with up to and including 4 steps. TP1 is an impressive aid with a huge range of applications on different types of stairs. Black+Decker is in the process of consistently digitizing itself. It's a step towards becoming more visible and tangible for an urban target group that is still very much interested in DIY, but doesn't go to hardware stores. Black+Decker Social Tools is a concept for a smart tool cupboard for housing communities. Using an app, tools can be borrowed or reserved, and exchange with the community is possible. Even the billing is carried out through the app. It's a solution that solves a problem known to everyone: tools that walk. DDIIN Exlycon. The traditional compass has a sharp point that can punch a hole in the paper when drawing circles. Exlycon doesn't have a sharp point, so it won't damage paper. The tool also prevents the circle's center from slipping when used to draw. Exlycon consists of a base, a long and short ruler, and a water drop-shaped ruler. Magnets connect the wings and base for drawing geometries. The tool can precisely and accurately draw ellipses, circles in over 50 dimensions, and over 100 different sizes of arcs. Hexagons, pentagrams, and golden ratios can be drawn within a few seconds. PlantScrew foresting tool. Efficient reforestation doesn't start with planting new trees in the forest. It started long before that. Seedlings must first be cultivated, and a healthy root system is crucial for early growth. However, the roots often get damaged during transplantation. The trees are still planted in the forest but only have a small chance of growing into healthy trees. Current uprooting methods are neither efficient nor healthy for forestry workers. PS is a tool that uproots seedlings effectively without damaging the roots. The tool encourages an ergonomic posture and thus empowers the user. Headlock paint roller technology. Headlock technology for paint rollers makes painting faster, easier, and less messy than ever before. The patented technology features a unique cartridge system that locks paint roller covers onto the roller frame. Say goodbye to roller covers slipping on their frames, and hello to headlock paint rollers. IC internal cutter. This tool is specially designed to improve the daily work of plumbers. One of the many tasks plumbers face daily is cutting off pipes. Some pipes have to be cut off flush with the floor or below floor level. Today, plumbers need to use several big and heavy tools, or they have to cut pipes manually with a handsaw. All this is very time-consuming and puts a lot of strain on the body. With the new IC Power the internal cutter, this task is no longer a problem. The tool will clamp onto the pipe and cut it off from the inside out in one go, with the procedure being very fast and painless for the plumber. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.